Welcome back to Mail and Make Art. This is Mikki, and today I have a product review. And today I have decided to not only do the essential set from Daniel Smith, but also I have decided to review all the extras I bought from them just to try. I found out that I now have two Hansa Yellow Light colors. Oh, those labels look different, don't they? But they're the same because they're both PY3. So we're good. Okay, so I have an abundance of this, and I had panned this some time ago. I don't even know why, but somewhere in my videos I had a reason for doing that. I also have three Daniel Smith gift half pans that someone gave me, Sandrine from Sandrine's Gallery. I'll put her link in the description below, and I'll put up the link for the unboxing of the stuff she sent me that day. It was an amazing day. She's so generous and awesome. But apparently this is Christmas tree green, and when you wet it, it smells actually like an evergreen tree. It did pop out, but it's been so dry this winter that I don't blame it for drying up a little bit. I haven't used these quite a lot. So this one's Burgundy Yellow Ochre, and this is Sicker Genuine, which is a genuine mineral. I have of course, in the essential set there's French Ultramarine, New Gamboge, Quinacridone Rose, Pyrrole Scarlet, and a Phthalo Blue. Now, I do have something similar to the Pyrrole Scarlet in here. I don't even know if I think I opened this somewhere, but I can't remember how. Oh, there's a hole right here. So, I'm very excited to try these. Sorry for the loud noise. I know that's annoying. So I have an opera pink, just because I wanted to try Daniel Smith's. This is before I knew about magenta being a primary, so that's okay. And a lunar blue. I really wanted to try this. I got a Cascade green, just very random. And I got a Quinacridone Gold because, well, that's kind of been all the rage. And I've got a Magnese Blue Hue. Hi, Minnie. Hi. And I got an Organic Vermilion. So let's see how it compares with the Pyrrole Scarlet. So I have something for everything here. I mean, this would make a perfect set for cools and warms on each side. I have a bunch of convenience colors, and I don't know, this is going to be fun, so hang in there. I'm going to start doing a time-lapse to get all of these swatched out. I may even do this one real time, and then, I don't know, I'll see you after I figure out what I'm doing with this. Okay. So we're back with the final product here, and what's really cool is that this opera pink has got a little granulation in it. These two, you know, if you didn't know that they were two different pigment numbers, you'd never know the difference. So that's kind of neat. I mean, this is all a learning process anyway, so I guess I doubled up on my Pyro Scarlet and Vermilion quantity. I really enjoy this color. Even though it's a mixed color, it's more than one pigment, it's still really beautiful. The Quinn Gold is too. Now, getting into these granular ones, I can't wait to try to like mix these with something, because just look at what happened with this. These two are, I didn't know when I bought this that I was gonna get the Christmas tree thing from Tangerine, but it's funny how I went for it anyway. It's really cool. Do you see what's happening here? How the PBR7 and the Phthalo Blue are like separating from each other and making this really cool granulation pattern. Gosh, I hope you can see that. It's so pretty. Yeah, so this Lunar Blue has the PB15 in it also, and since it got, you know, contaminated, I went over here and did it, but you can still see that blue in there, and I had it extra on my brush to see if it would just do a straight line and do this, and it does. And gosh, I just don't know what I'd use that for. Probably greens and ponds, and I don't know, but it's gorgeous. It's really neat to see that. So if you're interested, get the Cascade Green or the Lunar Blue for the really cool separating granulation. And if you got the Cyclerate Genuine, you could probably achieve that if you mix these two, or even these two. You get something really neat because it's got a yellow tint to it. So, I don't know. What do you think of these colors? Do you think this is good for a sort of a basic set? I'm not sure that I'd get any more. I think everything you need is pretty much here. If I'm missing anything, let me know. So I may do something with these, maybe some more color mixing and playing, but it'll all be time-lapse after this. Well, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.